Hi, it's Glen Gosch with Coldwell Banker. We hope that you can join us for our open houses this weekend. Hope to see you there. No, I don't think I'll dance. I don't think mumble rappers dance. That was a B. Okay. Another B. Do you want me to do a rap? Should we try a rap, then I can do some normal? I just gotta lay some bars down in my head. I'm just gonna go freestyle, I think. Okay. All right, I'm trying to think of how to mumble rap, but I think I can do it, like 2019 style. Channel my inner Post Malone. It's Glen Gosch from Coldwell Banker. Hope that you join us for, that was a B, let me try that again. It's 2019 and I'm the OG. I am with CB and like John Cena, you can't see me. Another day, another dollar.
Oh,
I can't?
I will bleep that out.